sila Evangelion. Alam mo ba Evangelion?
Oo. Langad.
Saan ko paano mo? Gusto mo talaga sila robot malaki?
Sis.
Wala. Wala.
Bagong SSR. SSR.
Ultimate Defense. Ewan ko din kasi ito pa yung first collab mo na, no? Wala sa ibang collab.
Mm.
Kasi yung collab sa Genshin, walang kwenta yung 5 star cover. Mag-collab na lang kayo, disrespect mo pa yung collab partner mo dahil bulok character ginawa sa game mo. Anong klase yun?
Dal.
Pati ba sa PGR? PGR na. Tapos ko pa
PGR, kailan ba yun?
sa alam ko yung Black Rock Shooter, meron. Yung iba, nakalimutan ko.
Of the latest games releasing. Today we're talking about Power. This is the game the
Dito,
internet
barrel.
is calling Pokemon with guns. It's also the game the internet has kind of crowned king over the course of last weekend as this game launched
Level
in
pa.
Oh, Gen 24.
early access is on the web. Currently to the top of Steam charts. So I've been playing this for a few days now, both solo and a bit of it cooperatively on PC. So this footage has been captured, and it's also available on Xbox through Game Pass. So now I know the running tagline joke is, like I said, Pokemon with guns, but it's really Pokemon but a survival game like Ark. Pokemon with some elements that some Poke fans have been wanting for a long time. Pokemon with a dash of Breath of the Wild and a few more popular games. Look, people don't like these comparisons; they get very defensive. I've seen the arguments online, but it's often pretty blatant here. Now, what matters is that it clearly derives a lot from things that a lot of other games do well. Sometimes shamelessly. For some, a little too close to comfort. Some character models are alarmingly close to Pokemon they've been spoofing. So there's some potentially questionable stuff here worth acknowledging. Regardless, the game is doing something for some people. Clearly, it's scratching an itch. It's filling a void. Me personally, I don't love a lot of survival games. I'm pretty picky, but I found myself hooked on this one. This game gives you a lot considering it's early access.
Ilan na
It's
lang
a little
final
jacked
ko?
up.
Hmm?
Ilan na lang finals ko?
Ilang ano?
Ilang finals ko?
Ih, kaagi mga 6 pa ata siguro. Naisip ko.
Di ba early kayo?
Wala, 3 pa lang ang na-take namin exo finals. Hindi, 3, 4 na.
Kasi yung pinaprioritize ko ng teachers engineering 4th years. Kaya
Mm.
late up na
Okay, yun pala yun. Na wala pa kayo exam. Kailan exam nyo?
meron na. Depende din kasi yung sa engineering man minors wala sa ibang department ng teacher.
Mm.
Okay lang.
Mauna.
Pero kapag engineering talaga yung teacher, yun yung marang magka-conflict schedule.
So wala pa kayo finals.
Apat na lang ata.
Grabe din. Baka abot pa kayo last week ng May.
Oo. Tawad pa kami next week.
Hindi, last week talaga ng May. Joke lang.
Grabe na yan.
Sobra na.
Pero yun, gulat nga ako yung mga tapos.
Hindi, pero this week, matapos na lahat. Alam ko may exam dalawa isa sa Thursday, isa sa Friday, tapos sa Saturday, dalawa. Tapos meron pa isa online. Pero ano lang yun, no? Sa CLA.
Basic.
Hmm.
Kita ako study na.
Oo, basta online.
Nga, yung sa Philcon namin, wala akong study. Mag-take na ako mag-bagsak. Philcon pa rin.
Sa ano nyo?
Philcon.
Philcon, ano? Porcom? Anong Philcon?
Philippine Constitution.
Constitution? The fuck? Wala kami ngayon.
Yung ano parang laws. Yung article pa din section.
Makatawad ba yun? Pangalan pa lang.
Kaya nga.
I don't
Sa
want.
lang natin, parang idol team picture.
Chill lang.
Hindi, parang yung katulad ni ano ni
Nakahanap pa teacher.
ewan, wala kasi ako makompare sa masyadong madali yung high school compared
Mm.
sa college.
Niluluto ng pal na yan yung ano, pagkain mo.
Yung iron tapos
Yung iron, nakalang pagkain.
niluluto niya mo kung gusto mo. example, dito.
Chef pala yan eh.
Ano rin sila, parang, ano, dito, yung plate. So, kita ba na?
Wait lang, masyadong maliit yung screen. Ano yan? Kindling?
Oo. Sa mga ganyan, okay lang. Kita ba yung parang mga, ano nila, pwede nila kayang gawin sa base, pwede i-assign.
Real.
Magic talaga yung ano sa mura na to, meron siyang woodcutter, lumbering tree.
Ah, random yan. Ano yan siya? Based sa Pokemon?
Pokemon talaga, yung
Sa
random.
Pokemon.
ito
Akala
yung
ko random.
Sa baba, ito yung random.
Ano yan?
Parang rate din siya, kasi skill.
Ano yan? Waterproof?
Oh, 10% decrease water damage. Maganda. Ganti na mo, fireman siya, weak siya sa water.
Sakto.
Tapos, saan ba yung maganda? Dito wala, sayang. Bukas pa naman. Dito.
May mga debuff rin na random.
Oh. Example. Dito,
Malas.
attack minus 10.
Coward.
Ano ba pinakaganda? Dito, random.
Ano yan?
50%.
Ano no?
Plus 30. Walang attack plus 20.
Ferocious.
Tapos
Oo.
walang tinan mo yung
Cute mo yan siya.
malas. Oh. Parang yung mga pinaka-first mo na makuha. Oh, number 1. First.
Wag na lang. Nung nagawa ko yung legendary random stats sa ano, sa beginner weapon, sa first weapon, no? Yung wooden stick. Tapos naka ano siya, naka wooden stick tapos naka masterful. Wait lang, panoorin ko ba muna to yung video? Marami na. Hindi ko na ito panood.
Some
Bilhin ko na lang ata. Bilhin ko na Palworld. Okay naman ako. Ini na ba? Kailan ba tayo maglaro? Kasi baka mag-discount to tapos bilhin ko ngayon full price.
Patapasin mo na ako muna yung week.
Ngayong week.
Ewan, kasi sinasend ko yung
Kailan yung may ano? Anong date yung ulit? Wala ko naman. Sa messenger mo ba yun, Nisan?
Samsung.
Hindi ko na open messenger. Tama daw. Ngayon week. So, first week na lang. Gago, may 1 na pala ngayon. The fuck? Bilis ng oras. Oh my god, mag-study pa ako. Kahit saglit lang. So, tapusin lang muna ngayon. So, hindi ko muna bilhin ngayon. Wait lang muna ito yung laman.
Ay, ito na mag-PC ko lang. Parang try. Tingnan ko daw.
Uy, kaya lang. Ano?
Wala ko pa na try. Try ko pa bukas kaya ng PC.
menus and some whole mechanics could use some complete tweaking. And there's more features I'd love to see. But even with the roughness, the early access in this, it's a really fun time already. There's a lot against it though. It feels a bit cheap, almost like thrown together at times, and it can be devoid of any cohesive feel or personality with the world at times too. Sometimes almost like soulless. But hey, let's just get into it, explain mechanics, and talk about everything. So if you don't like survival games, it's still very much the thing here. It's not the most intensive one. It's actually pretty casual. But like you're chopping down trees, you're cooking and eating to keep your character healthy, and you're building primitive log cabins. But from there, the game very quickly gets you hooked onto its loop and catching creatures with balls
mag-share yung tech tree. I mean, mag-share yung tech tree. Pag meron ka, example, high level tech, tapos ako, beginner ako, magamit ko pa rin. Or dapat kailan ko ma-unlock rin sa tech tree ko bago magamit.
Ay, bago world.
Okay.
Only in this game, you have Pokemon or whatever as your little workers.
Magpalit
All of them
risk. Gusto ko ibang location.
Magpalit world, so mag-regenerate yan lahat. Ano? Minecraft nga talaga.
Hindi. Hindi siya procedural world.
Ay,
Same lang world.
same lang.
Kasi kung procedural, mahirap talaga. Pero kung ano, No Man's Sky, magkano ba?
No Man's Sky, search ba? Ganun ba? Like No Man's Sky, no? Kalimutan ko man.
Procedural planet.
Chinga. Grabe yun. Ayaw nga sa idol. Basta malala kung mahal yun. Parang 2K yata. Hindi, 1,670. Walang discount.
Wala kita kung may dito. May
Ang
DLC. Buti naman may DLC.
Wala man DLC.
Ayun, maganda.
Yung No Man's Sky, walang DLC.
Kasi yung ibang game, akala mura lang. Tapos DLC pala na mahal.
Ba't kailangan pa yung DLC, di ba? Optional lang.
Expandable. Yung expand content man. So, example, sa Monster Hunter World, meron man yung expansion, yung Iceborne, yung binili natin bundle, at binili ko pa.
Binili.
Yung expansion para mas laki yung gameplay.
Parang mabitin ka pag ano.
Mas meron din yung mga ibang DLC yung parang items lang.
have their own characteristics and specializations. And this is what makes the game feel a little bit more interesting. Having a bunch of little creatures with maze and pens, so you can harvest them for wool, while creatures with plants can plant seeds in your farms to grow food, and then like the water creatures can come over and use their water powers to blast water onto the crops, or maybe power a mill to generate more material for then even better stuff. It's really fun when it all gets going. You need to keep the creatures fed, rested, and happy for all this to happen. And sometimes your areas will get attacked too, and you'll need to kind of rally the troops. So you can go from a little hut with a farm to a fortified house with sandbags and walls and towers and even turrets and weapons the creatures can use. Along with that, you're adventuring out.
Then,
Your main task seems to be
weird pala
fighting
yung
these massive
tech
monster
nila.
dragons. These contain
Ano?
Then weird yung tech trick. Yun naman.
Pero okay na. Make
Para lantern lang to, pero ancient technology siya.
What the?
Mahal yan, no? Mahal ito. Tapos, kailangan mo ng rare materials para maggawa. Dito pa, mas malala yung ito.
What the fuck?
Maglan
Ano na yan? Ancient talaga? Grabe.
Pero at least yung maganda, hindi mo kailangan ng ancient parts. Kasi ito kailangan mo ng ancient parts. Ancient parts, gago. Kailangan mo magpatay ng boss para makount naman yan.
No.
Farm mo lang man, mag-risk ko. Kaso lang, ba't boss every 1 hour? Hindi, wala.
May boss dyan?
Yeah, may dungeon yan. Baka. Keep dungeon for us. For world.
Grabe na antok na talaga ako.
that you need to really gear up and kind of prepare and fight. It's really challenging, but the other thing is that the game world itself is absolutely huge. Getting to these towers might take a while. The map is massive, and I feel like I've barely even scratched the surface yet. There are cave dungeons with special creatures, loot to find inside, rare creatures hiding around, big boss creatures out in the open, and I've even found some hidden bosses in some pretty weird, unexpected places too. There are even towns with NPCs. This is where the game
May mga ano daw, may mga caves daw.
feels of early access. It's pretty lifeless, with a couple of vendors and boring NPCs who barely have anything to say, and some weird writing and dialogue. Still, there's potential here for a lot. You can just buy new towns or visit a shop and buy items, but that really seems to be it for now. There are also kind of bandit camps out in the world with
Hmm? Ano na?
Kulang tinet.
Nagaano ka man? Nagalag talaga?
Bakit?
Or sa akin to?
Kulang na.
Choppy ka.
Be able to harness to ride my creature. That stuff is really satisfying. And it's
Dito naman, mahina naman net. Ay naku, tulog na lang ako. Gising na maaga. Study konti, pero hindi ko na i-record. So, good night man.